Kani Darshan Meghalaya but Kipring Subhai P. Barosh Katup Kubom Taka Janmit, Shoban Paj Kubor Kibania in the Petchway Kimat Bakongsan. Kintat Umentri Rambak Kajala Konrad Sangmaya Kajinkunok ke Congress Halor Karam, Dakabaong Bakaram Jong Kajala Kalong Katkum Uput Balabu. Pli Umentri Rambak Kajala Konrad Sangmaya ke Regional AI Impact Conference Hashalong, Dakabaong Babarok ki Rai Jong Kasorkar Kinlong Daki Data. Kentat ke NPP halor ke jingkam banlek ya so ubak polling do ong ukon rat sangma bakadang kloy pelat ban pentingna. Ya ro unong kit tin CM ke Ireland ya kata masa honbil da ke boong ba ke jingete lok kalong ke buram. Bat penkup buram ke Presiden ke Draupadi Murmu dan ke Kusnam ke Ri ban penkup boy ke Baduna Dekat Met Hanong Ba Delhi. Mentang ini kami ki kubur berbeniak hak jela. Shisngi hadirin baka Kongres kala kenok baka jela Meghalaya kalong ke badap da karam. Uminti rang bak gejela ukon rat ke sangma ula penkut ya kene gejing kenok. Da ke boong baka ram jong gejela ke don hapo uput balabu da ke tenat pelatingka jong ke sorka pedeng bat ke RBI. Usangma ula ong ba nyepua na ke shispa na ki ram la siu da ke sorka pedeng bat bunsin ke jing shim ram na bar ki wan ringkat bat ki grant ki bahe. Kebaik ke jelatang hak jing siu ke bebiang ulah keno ba uhe ke Kongres uba Vincent H Palau la yalam baklai ki pai ba kat ba ke Kongres pat kala pen scam ba ke ram kala kta hadu saupau na ke shispa na ke gross state domestic product na ke GSDP bat ulah maham jor ba ke jela ke don hak jing ma na ke daw ke jing kiu jong kiram bari.
The MPCC may be referring to, which is the World Bank loans and the ADB loans and the externally aided project loans. Again, for the sake of explanation, I will explain that number one, it's on a 90-10 ratio. So 10%, it's an 80-20 ratio in terms of the loan and the amount that we are supposed to pay upfront. So 20% state government pays upfront. 80% is the loan component. Out of this 80% of loan component, 90% is grant from the central government, and government of Meghalaya has to repay back only 10%. And hence, if you look at the entire calculation, 72% is repaid back by central government. 28% is paid by the state government, which has to be paid in advance upfront. So the question of this being financed through debt does not arise at all. So therefore, the MPCC president is trying to mislead the people, which is quite unfortunate.
Daki spangut ki riu shampang halor ka artificial intelligence lani ka AI. Kinong yalam jong ki company bet ki he sarkar kilaya lumlang negasngi hanong ba shalong. Nakabenta ka regional AI impact conference. Haba ajing kren hakane jing yalang umentri rang ba ka jalau kan rat ke sangma ula ong ba ka Meghalaya ka shim ya ka jing senshar ka bapnya daki data bat kala dap ban pendon kam ya ka AI haki benta ba kongsan. Kentup ya ka mothers app ka jingshnam map ya palat sau nyopusan hajar teli ki telong bat ka jing petngo dia ka jing tap jong ki cloud umentri ka tanat information technology jong ka sarkar pedeng Washwini Vaishnav haba kreling ba ka white conference ulapen bina palat shi poklo tingka na ka benta ki program jong ka AI ha ki sansnem kani ka jing alang ka longkum ka jing pen kre ya ka AI impact world summit ka balong host nam banwan Hak balaya soy ki memorandum of understanding ne MOU na kabenta ka satellite incubation center bat ka data and AI lab ha Meghalaya.
And while we had many challenges, I decided that let's start an IT park to enable different private sector enterprises to come in and invest in our state. And the journey began for the IT sector with the first IT park, the land being bought, the then IT Commissioner Secretary, if I'm not wrong, who was recently our Chief Secretary, Mr. T.P. Wala, was instrumental in making that come to a reality. I truly believe that this is going to shape the future of technology, knowledge, data-driven governance, as well as different businesses that we will do in the days to come.
We are organizing the regional AI impact conferences throughout the country, and in this conference at Shillong, the focus will be on people, planet and progress, which are the three pillars, the three sutras of the AI Impact Summit. The entire world, the world of work, the world of entertainment, the world of computing, everything is changing with the development of AI.
Umentri rang ba ke jela bat ubalong unong yalam ke NPP ukon rat ke sama ulakin taj ban kren AA halor ki khubor hamsaya ba MLA ke UDP uba polling do un penia so sya ke NPP da ke boong ba ke de ke kam politik bat ke por kan sabatai ulaong ba kadang kloy palat ban pentikna ya ke ne ke benta ha ke wei pat kaliang working president ke NPP ke jela uba Hamlet son doling ru ulakin taj ye kita ki khubor ba kim don nongrim da ke boong ba kadang kloy palat na ke benta kinu ki jing penbet thamai namar ke jing thap vote jong usnam araja arpopra kadang jengai bha.
But I think right now to jump to a conclusion that you'll be joining and all is, I think, a bit premature right now. It's not the appropriate time to discuss all of these things. There is a lot of politics that happens. Many people from my side, last time I think it was yourself or somebody was talking to me and telling me that some NPP MLAs plan to leave. And I had asked you that time, please give me the name of those NPP MLAs. I'll talk to them and convince them that they should not leave. So this happens in politics. So there's a lot of talk, discussions that takes place. But I think at the end of the day, let's see how things unfold. And when the final time comes, we'll let you know.
Ka Office Commissioner na kabenta ki beduna department negasngi kala pelong ya ka Empower Fest 3.0 haganong ba bandrakhe ya ka International Day of Persons with Disabilities. Hagbalapin iya ka tamasa film ka baningkong jong ka jala ringkat ki program pensno tho bat ki jingyatai ki bakit jingmut. Habakren hakani gasngi umentri rang ba ka jala ukon rat ke sangma ulaong ba kani ka jingtmu kala nangkiu shaprang bat banjur ban penkala na ka jingisnei shaki hok. Ulapin bana ban ai jing kersyan ya lai phongut ki nong sengkam sengjam ki badon jingduna ki dkhat met bat ki CSC center ba penyat da ki brio ki badon jingduna ki dkhat met ka belong ningkong ha ka than chatai lam hingi usang maul ai kubleru ya ki nong yo khusnam bat ki nong job ha ki jing yakop da ka ba pen scam biang ya ki jingkular jong ka sarkar ban ken thop lang bat ban pen kobor.
The real story unfolds in the lives of those who refuse to be limited. Elinda Mary Maulon, a class 12 student with hearing impairment, began as a MOCHAM bakery intern and now serves as bakery lab assistant with discipline and excellence. She was felicitated on International Day of the Girl Child. Elinda proves that opportunity and perseverance transforms lives. Singshran G. Momin from Abima suffered a serious accident in class 4. But instead of accepting defeat, he earned his bachelor's degree from Don Bosco College, Tura. Today, he serves as branch post manager and trains daily for his dream.
Deputy Commissioner ka West Garo Hills Vibha Agarwal inin kasngi ulapan mana ba ka council kalapan trekam ya kurukom trekam ka bathamai na kabenta ban pentikna bakinong trekin yo tulop hapo ka shitarik manu banai ulapan tikna bala pelat no ikutulop jong ubanai nai weng na kabenta ki shi haja lai spangut kinong tre hadien bala penslam ningkong namar ki jing hagikot ki slabat ki mat trekam ka council kalapan lut nyau klor tingka hakutulop bat ketemu bahkan la ban pendap penbiang dalade hakaliang ka pisah tingka.
So for the last month, for the month of October, there were some delays because there were a lot of systems that were being put in place also, including proper documentation of the account numbers, including proper making of the salary statements, etc. So now that system has been put in place where we can release the salary by 1st of every month for all the employees of the council. So this time also, yesterday itself, we had submitted to the banks, and banks have already released the salaries of almost all the employees. So, so I'm very happy to announce that the system is there, and from now for every month, the salary will be released on the 1st of every month. The total number of employees that is there is who get the salaries around 1,300, and so now they have received the salary for November month. So last month they got the salary for October month. So, but as I said, there was some delay. So by the end of the month, they could get by the end of the November month. But this time, we have submitted the list of all the employees was prepared by council, and that was already sent to the bank yesterday, and they have already started receiving. So.
Katanat social welfare kala pediangi ki arpasangut ki kena ki balawan pai suk na chika belapur Karnataka hinin kasngi. Kasyong kno jong ka SCPCR ka agata sangma kala ai Khubelaya barok ki tanat badan benta bat kala penparu ya ka jing ngau kia halor ka jing pa ki kena shabar jela klem ka rukom trikam ka babiang. Kala ongru baka commission kala kentu yu menteri rang ba ka jela banwan ra ya ka standard operating procedure na ka benta kum kini ki jing let jing wan. Kentup iki kot kisla kajing pensisha, kajing pej benia, diki doktor, bat kajing trelang hapedeng ki jela. Bat kala kerpa diki kimi ki pa bakin long ki bahusiar bha, halor kajing shngan jong ki khon jong ki.
And they have come here safely and they are healthy, and I'm so grateful to all the people who are involved, all the departments who are involved, both from the state of Karnataka and Meghalaya, who made it possible for these children to reach home safely. So first of all, I welcome the children, and I want to extend my gratitude to everybody involved in ensuring that our children could come back home safely. With a similar incident where we were receiving children who were taken away from our state in a, I would say, in an illegal manner, because it wasn't done in a proper way, and it wasn't done by an organization that is operating legally. So I think that it's really time for us to take note of this and see that these kind of incidences will not take place ever again in our state.
National President ke NPP Konrad K Sangma ulapan ko buram ai Khubelaya Dr. Lorho S Foze kum President Bathamai ke Jela Manipur. Ringkat berunang yalam badang syutung thamai Rameshwar M Singh, Chief Whip Lokin Singh bat ki Working President ki bakantop ya Nurul Hasan bat Jang Hemlung Panmei. Usang maulay ro ikani ka kenhuan bathamai da ka bakentu ya ka jingateli bat ka jingpen klanyi kinong rim ban kentiu ya ka jingshong suk shong san. Ka bane bat ka jingroy jingpar ka bakentop lang ha Manipur.
At this particular time is of paramount importance to the National People's Party. Dr. Loro's experience as a parliamentarian, his experience and his performance in the Lok Sabha and outside the Lok Sabha has been something that we are all aware of. A person who is very soft-spoken, he is always smiling, he is always welcoming, but behind the smile, there is a person who believes in principles, a person who is a God-fearing person, a person who is dedicated to his people, dedicated to the state, and dedicated to the region of the Northeast.
UMLA ka jirang bat ubalong ru Menteri Sarkar uba Sustenance Soten, henen kasngi ula play ka yeng multi facility center, kabalasna thamai habernihan. Kabalatay ka jinglot kabapalat riu paulak tingka. Kani ka center mentakan long kabala ban pelong ki program pait ba, ki jingelang bat ki jingelang pait ba, ki ba ai jing mentoy ki nong snong jong kabernihat bat ki snong bamarjan. Uba sotun ulah kentu ru ikinong yalam bat ki nong snong, bakin sumar bahaya kani ka jaka, kanang ban pentikna ya ka jing syakri ka bajrong ya ka emlang salang.
Satu kata-kata lada ba Kena pergi projek lapan pendep hakapur ke badon kam na ka benta ka cingentoi ke jogi pajba kene ke project ke multi facility center hani haboni hat ngaken mau hakadugopur hakajingisha kene ke project. I remember this project, it should not have happened here. It should be of some other areas, some other constituencies. But we are fortunate enough at that particular area where they could not get the land. So I happened to be there at the time sitting with the Honorable Chief Minister, and then right away I requested Sir, Honorable Chief Minister, Sir Conrad K. Sangma, that please sir, we have land. I don't locate which land, but I said land we have. Yes sir, we have land. So right away sir, he said okay, and then they finalized this area here, and it has come out very beautifully.
UMLA Kamukaya uba nu Jorki Sunga ulaong bakajing syongsuk syongsan kalawan biang hakaput ke asam Meghalaya. Hadirin balabu iki border bat police outpost hakilai teli ki Jaka. Ubak sungo ula benrap ba kijing persyang kidang ya chakmat ban penstet ya kijing akren halor ki henriu teli ki Jaka badang ya kenat na kabenta ban penne ya kijing syongsuk ke bane slam. Da ke bak kedawi kijing ya kenat ki baladep kentop ya kijing ja ke badang shen hala pangap. Ha ke ba wei briu laklat.
We as a government, from the government side, we're trying hard. We want to make sure that this kind of thing will not happen in the future. So from the government side, we have only set up one border outpost in Khasi, one in Mukro, and all the police outposts in Porto. So all this setup, it is meant to bring peace and order in the border area. We have tried our level best. Our Honorable Deputy CM also, he has convened a meeting from time to time. So we have the required number of personnel in the border, in the border outpost. So I think those personnel that were already there, I am very much sure they can handle the situation.
Unong Aiktin ka Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association ne ka MC Toda uba wan shwa nong tudu laong bagajingalang bat ka Giant Hill Cement Manufacturers Association ne ka JHCMA bat ki sinjuk jong kinong nya truck kala penkut no ya ka jingbom ya sngotu jingmut ka balakang lat ya ki khat pratli ki truck ban kit mar ulong baya ka WhatsApp group antau da baro artli ki company bat ka MC Toda ban penyade ya ki jingdon kam kali man ka sngi bat ban lat na ki jing ngautu bakla uba nong tudu la benrap balabu ban pelong ya ka jingalang ba hakan riu trik unok pra ban weng ki jing ki bedangsa
menin ngilap ha kali khat pratli kali ngilap ha chate support cement factory ndre nginom yo lot ngiklam yo lot menin te haden kata par kini ki cement factory namar ka don ka jing ngautu bakla ka jongki te ngi na kelen jong ngi call ki te haden kata pat ki khot ngi bingin ya kendu manta kasni te ngi na kelen jong ngi wan manta kasni ban ya penbe ya kani andre ngi wan hang ne manta kasni tang ban ya kren mat i ban ya ka loading ngi wan tang ban ya kren kumanga ong menne ngi kren tang na manta ka loading te kamot namar ngi ro na MC Toda ngim de ki ba experience namar ka sen ka banangkong ba ngin late load tengi don kam hi ban shim ka experience na kini ki cement factory bantip ya kerut map kumnungin pak kali dan ya kumnungin yo ya kata kanong hoy wala ka nong jingkit ngilayo la debu dari Honorable Deputy CM Jongi kendai tangka debat ngidon kampat ban penjanai ya kata kerukom pak kali te menta kasni ki ngi seo komen ban nong kendiat ombaro 6% hendak kendiat kamut kalawan cara jing singau tu ba ngiwan hang ne ban yakren ya loading ta kamut ki la kular ban create ya ka way ka WhatsApp group ban shna ya ka way ka WhatsApp group hang ha ka ta ka WhatsApp group kamut kin pha ya ka requirement ka jongki kan nu tuli ki kali ki requirement ha ka chisni ngiro kum ka MC Toda ngin pha ha ka ta grukom
ya ka International Day of Persons with Disabilities la rakhe nekski nongpo Dorbar Hall dak Office District Social Welfare Ribhoy haringkat ke jinga trelang bat ke Nongpo Area Women's Welfare Association. Haba ai jing kran ke sngi MLA ke Nongpo uba Meral Bonds ulai ro ya ki nong penyat ki bala itu ya ke hok bat buram na ke benta ki brio ki badon jingduna ki department. Hagani ke program la kentop ru ya ki jing yakop na ke benta ki kena ki badon jingduna ki department bala pelong ka jing ai jing sumar na ke benta baro ki nong shem benta.
Kejadian bagi dia berumur kalau lalu beti di sini kita kejadian ini kan beti itu. Lalu kita juga cukup Pak Lokistan dalam mereka berkongsi mereka. Apa itu berkongsi yang berurang mereka. Ya kabar Iwan Nasla Pertai. Tidak mencukupian, tidak mencukupian. Kalau tak kau yang semua but I will see if he financial really to another Singapore. What knows no rem? What knows snow yelageva? Pengasna bahara di surga ibn dilo.
Mentang ini pas ki kubo na katan siya tela mingi. Undang kit tin sim jong ka Ireland sya India u Kevin Kelly ula penpau ke jing ngau komen ya kata masa Hornbill jong ka Nagaland ha ka ba ula ong ba ka long ka buram jong ka Ireland ban ya trailang bat ka ula ya ro ya ka ne kata masa ki jing rai bat jing shatan rai bat ki riam ki bementa ka ba pen I ya ka jing rius pa jong ka jela ha ka riti duster bat ka jing kring ya ka perthai barok ka we u Kelly ula banjur halor ki lat ki lenti ki bala ban penyesok ha ka liang ka kolshor bat ka yok ka kot da ka ba penslor ki samla naga bakin lech Ireland na ka benta ka kam jingok kai ki jing pule lani ki jing trei ha ka ba ula pen pau ya ka jing don kam ban penek pensa bat ban sam ya ka jing long per jong ka riti duster bat ka perthai.
Two things I would say. First of all, I want to say to the young people of Nagaland how amazing it is to see how proud you are of your culture and your identity, and hold on to that. I know everybody wants to watch Netflix and they're on YouTube and they're listening to influences from other parts of the world, but that's great, but hold on to this wonderful pride that you have in your culture and in your identity. And then in terms of Ireland, what I would hope them to see is that even though we're we're a small country, far away, we're the last stop in Europe, the most westerly point before you get to America, but we're a wonderful country and we have a really proud history with India in terms of our fight for independence, and we have so much in common in terms of Ireland and Nagaland. So
mentang ini pas ki kubo na kelengkari. Menteri Ketenat Information and Broadcasting Ashwini Vaishnav hene kasi ulama ha baki kubo lamler bat ki jingshna lingba ka artificial intelligence ki bom dei ki bashisha ki bu jingma bakrau ya ka sinshar paitba bat ula ong ba on pensitom ki ba pendon kam baklaya ka haba juba be ki jingkli heng dorbar Vaishnav ula ong bala ito ya ki an ki batmai ban le ai persha ya ki jingshna ki bom dei ki bashisha bala penmi da ka AI da ka babendra baka sarkar pedeng bat ki sarkar jella bat ki seng bhalang ki de benya trelang banya khun persha ya ki jing pen sapriang ki kubor balam ler ula pen paru bala pen mi ya ki an ki baperking halor ki jing le kai online bat baka digital India kala ban wanra ka jingkala hakari.
Okay, I sincerely want to say that fake news is a threat to our democracy today. और हमें सोशल मीडिया पर फेक न्यूज़ पर AI जनरेटेड डीप फेक पर स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन लेने की ज़रूरत है. जिस तरह से सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स का उपयोग करके एक तरीके से कई ऐसे इकोसिस्टम बन गए हैं जो कि भारत के संविधान को फॉलो नहीं करना चाहते, बहुत तरह से इस पार्लियामेंट द्वारा बनाए हुए कानून को भी पालन नहीं करना चाहते. उसमें स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन लेने की और कड़े नियम बनाने की वाकई बहुत सख्त ज़रूरत है. हाल ही में कुछ नए रूल्स भी बनाए गए हैं. विद इन 36 आवर्स टेक डाउन करने की एक नए रूल अभी हाल ही में बनाया गया है। AI जनरेटेड डीप फेक्स को आइडेंटिफाई करके उसके ऊपर एक्शन लेने का भी नया रूल ड्राफ्ट पब्लिश किया गया है। कंसल्टेशन इज करेंटली गोइंग ऑन।
Menteri Jong Katnat Union Food Public Distribution and Consumer Affairs Upralha Joshi hene kasngi ulo ong balapan kala palat shispa nakashispa ki kat ration kat kom gajuk mentala ni digital hakeleng gari haba jubab hakakita kli jingkli hayeng dorbar u Joshi ulo ong bajan arpau point san praklur kilong yeng ki badon kat ration menta kila don haka jing pentre kam da ka core digital ulo ong ru baka jing ai khau klem Jingsiyo hapo ke Perdana Menteri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana kan yai beteng hadu usnam arajar apu khandai. Hak bagi nong yo jing matoi ki bedei hok kin sayo san kilo ukau bat kiwe na kebenta uwe ubriu manu benai.
हर किया जा सके जिससे लाभार्थियों को राशन प्राप्त करने हेतु लंबी दूरी तय न करने पड़े।
सर मैं यही कहना चाहता हूँ सारे देश में जहाँ भी ज़रूरत है जहाँ FCI इधर गोडाउन PPT माध्यम के द्वारा करते हैं नहीं तो FCI गोडाउन है FCI गोडाउन उपयोग करते हैं स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का गोडाउन उपयोग करते हैं वो दूर दराज का इलाका हो और कहीं भी हो पहाड़ी इलाका हो। सर मैं यही कहना चाहता हूँ सारे देश में जहाँ भी ज़रूरत है जहाँ FCI इधर गोडाउन भी हायर करेगा और जो फेयर प्राइस ऑफ अपॉइंटमेंट सर
Ka Presiden Jonggeri ke Draupadi Murmu kalau ong baka emlang ka saklang kan kieu tang ladala itu ekibriu ki badon jingduna department kom ki bayarin kat haba IG Grand haka National Awards ke balalong New Delhi hene kesngi na ke bentaban penkop bori ki badon jingduna department ka Presiden kala kentu badai ban buram om ban pej po ayaki ka Presiden Jonggeri kala sami ki kusnam shabaro ki riu shimet bat ki jaka ai jing hikai na ka benta ka jing trei bha jangki bat kala ya ro ya ka jing trei shitom jong ka sarkar da ka bapen pau ba ka India kala yo khur ka wei ka takma hausnam arajar khat ar kat ba hausnam arajar ar phosau kala yo khur ar phukhandai tili ki takma ka bapen pau ya ka jing keu jong ki nong ile kai jong kari
लाखों दिव्यांगजन को यूनिक डिसेबिलिटी आईडी कार्ड्स दिए गए हैं। इससे वे दिव्यांगजन विशेष सुविधाओं से लाभान्वित हो रहे हैं। शिक्षा सशक्तिकरण का सबसे प्रभावी माध्यम है। राष्ट्रीय शिक्षा नीति 2020 में दिव्यांग बच्चों को अन्य बच्चों के समान अच्छी शिक्षा के अवसर प्रदान करने का प्रावधान किया गया है। सरकार के साथ साथ समाज को भी दिव्यांगजन के हित में जागरूक और सक्रिय रहना चाहिए। इससे सरकार के प्रगतिशील प्रयासों को बल मिले।
mentang ini pas ki kubo na keleng ke partai ka Disaster Management Center jong ke Sri Lanka ka penpau ba ke eryong ditwa kala syem ya ka jing em jong ki south pa nya pusangut ki men simbrio hakaba lai spa san pon riungut kila ja ngai namar ki jing shlei bat ki jing twa khendau ki bala penjlor ya ka te ka deulenong ke kandi ke dei ke bala syak ta jur bha hakaba kila yap hadu shispa khat prangut ke India kala penjur ke jing yarap hapo ka Operation Sagar Bandhu da ke bapha ye ki ling sun ki kenhun nong yarap ki sipai duriau kila penpoi ye ki marbam sha tren komali ki sipai sun kila penha palat san point san ton ki jing ai jing yarap kila pen kenria ru ya ki balai im bat kila pen biang da ki ling sun haka jaka sumar ringkat bat ki kenhun kinong ai jing sumar mentang ini pas kubor ya lek kai haga jingile kai hockey ki shinrang ke India kala penliam no ya ka Switzerland da Sunland North Hamodurai International Hockey Stadium na ka benta banjam sha ka quarter final haka FIH Junior Hockey World Cup 2025 uman meet Shardanand Tiwari bat u Arshdeep Singh kila long kinong tap goal bat u Shardanand ula yo pedang ya ka nam player of the match Kumba kalong menta ke India kalabat ya kekerdan bahakli ha ke pool B da ke bakamai kendai point na ki laisen ya kun batkan ya kenduk persyak ya ke Belgium ha ke sengi tok ding ha Chennai. Tim tapat ngeni pe ya ke jinglong juman ke sun meneng ha keleng ki benta jong ke jela. Hatura ke jingkret kelong kat 100 degree Celsius bat ke jingshit kelong 40 degree Celsius ke jing sngam kau hau mata singi kelong dripulai na ke shispa. Haba pai pat nong ba shilong ke jingkret kelong pra degree Celsius bat ke jingshit kelong 40 degree Celsius ke jing sngam kau hau mata singi kelong nyapulai na ke shispa. Kat bah juai pan ke jingkret kelong kandai degree Celsius bat ke jingshit kelong 40 degree Celsius ke jing sngam kau hau mata singi kelong san panriu na ke shispa. Kelak badan ke jingdom look bermelum melah hatura shilong bat jawai. Shoban poi shobakut jokotup kubon ni pek biang sisi ni kimat bakongsan. Kentat Menteri Rang Bak ke Jela ukon rat sama ya ke jing kenok ke Kongres halor keram dan ke boong berkeram jong ke Jela ke long katkum uput balabu. Beliau Menteri Rang Bak ke Jela ukon rat sangma ya ke Regional AI Impact Conference ha Shillong dan ke boong berbarok kirai jong ke sarkar kinlong da ki data. Kentat ke NPP halor ke jing kam balik ya so ubak polling do ong ukon rat sangma ba kedang kloy palat benten tikna. Ya ro unong kit tim CM ke Ireland ya kata masa Hornbill dah ke boong ba ke jing tik lok kelong ke buram. Bat penkuk buram ke Presiden ke Draupadi Murmu dah ke kusnam ke ri ban penkuk bori ke badunan khotmet hanong ba Delhi. Tipolok katu gila poy shabukot jokotup kubo jingim taga janmet hadu begini syam yang mat pila syai kesengi kublai pi baro.